Ms. Kenzo, how do you feel to be part in this Bowers experience, sir?
Very happy to be here, and honestly speaking, I'm so happy to be on this table this I think afternoon. Being here with the legends on the platform, it's really amazing, most especially when we are supporting someone when he's still alive. You know, as the people, sometimes we have this tendency of supporting people when they're already gone. But if we can support someone who has been in the music industry for over 15, 16 years, it really makes a lot of sense. He deserves it. He has worked so hard, spent a lot of sleepless nights to set the bar high, to inspire the current and coming generation. Really, I'm so glad to be here, my brother, and I pray for the best tomorrow. I have a very good feeling about it. I'm here to do my best. I'm here to make people happy alongside the greatest, and it's really beautiful. My sister Knowles and everyone, happy to see you. It's really good to be on a table with the greatest. I feel so good. Thank you.